This is the school in question, the Achimota school. This school has been in the public domain for some months now over its rejection of some two boys because of their hair. Now the court has made its ruling, but let's speak to people in the education sector on their reaction.
The order by the Accra High Court to Achimota Senior High School to admit the Rastafari students is a victory for the right to education. Article 28(4) of the 1992 Constitution prevents any individual from denying one to the right to education and the right to medical treatment on the basis of religion, culture, or any other reason. And so, right from the beginning, we have raised issue that educational rights are fundamental per our Constitution, for which reason Achimota had no basis denying these students access to secondary education because they were manifesting or they were enjoying their religious rights. And so the pronouncement by the courts and by extension the order to the Achimota Senior High School to admit the students can only be described as a victory for the rule of law and a victory for the right to education.
We hitherto those ruling believe that students should appear in school in a certain conformed manner, obey rules and regulation, establish an atmosphere conducive to teaching and learning, mindful of the fact that different children come from different homes, they have different upbringing, they have different characters and attitudes, and that there should be rules and regulations that commonalize behavior so that teaching and learning can go on at the most critical stage of their lives. So when they finish that level of their lives and they go to tertiary, because they are more matured, they can do what they like. I mean, who chases anybody in tertiary institution to go to bed? Who chases anybody in tertiary institution to dress in a particular way? Who wears uniform in tertiary institution? Because we know that they are more matured in that manner. So if the court is ruled that you cannot stop a student from going to school because of his hairdo, and let me say again, that is going to, we will be naive to limit it into only Rasta. Now, what it means is that any hairdo is acceptable in school. Any apparel is acceptable in school. And we as teachers say we are happy with the ruling. We as teachers say we will work with it. Why should somebody be worried?
Educational system.
We do not care about character formation because our understanding and our professional understanding of how to form character is being truncated by a court ruling. And you say what we should care? We are going to obey the court ruling.